Hello students. Today I will discuss the first chapter of your book, which is Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Concepts. So this is the first chapter of Java in which you have to understand about the basic technicality which you have to use while using a program. So you have to learn some theories. So what will be the theories? First of all, as you can see, we have to cover principle of object oriented programming. So what is object oriented programming? Anything which is related to real world is called object oriented programming. And then you have to introduce the introduction to Java, types of Java program, which is applet and application. These two programs you don't have to study here. You have to study here core Java. Means you have to write the program over there in BlueJ. BlueJ is a software where you will write the Java program and you will run the Java program. So there are some concepts which you have to study, like what is procedural oriented programming, and what are object oriented programming. So procedural oriented programming is a programming which contain functions, whereas object oriented programming contains object. Procedural oriented programming is combination of data and sequence, and object oriented programming is used real world object. It is top down approach, means it comes from top to bottom, and it is bottom up approach, means from anywhere from the Java program it can take value. Data moving means data can freely move from function to function, and here object can move and communicate with each other. Here we have to study the concept of object. We will study that object is an instance of class, and you know that some group of anything is called class. So group of object is called a class. So we can understand that object oriented programming is related to real world, because we are familiar about object, class, and some other things which you will use later in the programming, like recursion and like which you will study, which will be understandable. So object oriented programming is more efficient than procedural oriented programming. Here it is written, object oriented programming provide more security and it provide less security. So it is more efficient. Efficient means it provide more benefit than this. So what other things we will study? Like you can see, I have written here also what abstraction. So what is abstraction? Abstraction is a process in Java which is used to hide certain details and only show the essential feature of the object. Sometimes we need to show the essential feature only, and we want to hide the other unessential detail or other irrelevant information. That is called abstraction. In some Java program we will write that there we will focus only the essential part and we will hide the irrelevant things. Those concepts will be called abstraction. What is encapsulation? It is a process of binding of data member and member function into single unit. You will see some programming which have different combination of parts, different methods. A single program will include different methods. Those program will be called encapsulation. So here I have written Java development kit. To run any program over there in BlueJ, I told you how you will run any program in BlueJ. First of all, you can write any program in Notepad like this. You will open a Notepad and you will write all the program. Then you will save the program in Notepad. And here you will have to say, for example, we have saved hello java.py.